everyone. So how's everyone been doing? Now you all remember I had posted a road opener ritual and I had promised you all that whoever asks me for whichever ritual or a video I shall bring in. And in one of the comments in my road opener, someone had put, "Ma'am, please bring something for relationship." So here I am. So if you guys keep posting what you want, then I am sure I will bring in that only. And luckily it's a wolf moon, and I just finished one set of rituals. So I am doing this for a client who wanted that they become together, the husband and wife become together. So for that, this is the ritual which I will be doing for them. And so basically I have taken the male and the female, and I have used a blend of oils. As I said, I cannot share that is my spell for beginners, or other candles class is secret. But yes, now those who want to try this, now if you have the figurine candles at home but you want to try it, use essential rose oil. Rose oil works beautifully with cinnamon powder blend. You can use that, or what you can do is you can use rose oil with rose petals, chamomile. I will give you an amazing simple combo which you can use to sprinkle on top of this, because I use a blended powder, a blended herbal mix. But you all might not be having that unless you've done my workshop. Then yes, you'll be having it. Else what you can do is take chamomile, 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 and take chamomile, take rose petals, and take cinnamon powder, and you should just grind it together, make a blend of that powder. Pick up rose oil from Amazon, and then you use it. I'm using the heart because this represents the heart for both of them, and this is a very beautiful technique I had tried for someone else for whom I'm doing, where the boy has to accept for the girl to get married, and not accept, I'm using the wrong phrase, where the boy has to go and speak to his parents and make them agree for the marriage to happen. So I had done for them, and for them also it had worked beautifully. So this, I use 2 plain red candles, 2 blue, and 1 heart candle. If you don't have the heart candle, it's okay, but blue, red, and the male and the female is a must. Now here what I do is I make a small bridge with my cinnamon between the boy and the girl. Now to make this bridge, I will have to burn the candle or use my athame. I think I forgot to bring my athame, so I will burn the candle a bit, I will melt it a bit, and I will try to fix it. I am connecting the solar plexus here. You can even connect the heart chakras if you feel guided to. Now there's no hard and fast rule that this is what you have to do. You can use your heart chakra also. Heart chakra, in fact, some people work on heart chakra because heart chakra works beautifully when compared to your solar plexus. So here, I think a little more. I need to burn on both the sides so that the solar and the solar gets connected. I prefer solar because your solar and sacral gets connected. So the passion in the relationship and the love, both are there. So that's the reason I connect both together. So that's my way of connecting. So now the candles are all set. If you see, now I'm applying the powders. So I will keep 1 blue this side of the figurine, this side of the image, and 1 blue near to the heart. Same way I will do with red. 1 red near to the heart and 1 more red behind. Those who want can also pick the candles from me, the whole set from me, and also try this out. Now you can also keep it on the sides, or you can keep it next to it, right? You can place it at placement anywhere is okay. It's just it has to be in the front and in the back. And then what we do is first we burn. Now because the girl had come to me, I'm burning the girl first, okay, and then I burn the boy. And and then I burn the heart representing their heart relationship. Okay, so the boy and the girl in the heart. Then I burn the blue, followed by the red in the front. Okay, now the blue and the red in the front. Sometimes people ask me, if the flame goes off, what shall we do? There's nothing to worry. If a flame goes off, unless it goes off half away after you started the candle, and 10-15 minutes after it goes half away, maybe then it has a reasoning, or else it is okay if it goes half away, and you can just take it and you can make the wick proper and also burn. As I said, provided you started and it is not burning. But if it is 10 minutes it is burnt and not, then again, for that I always say you should be a part of the class, learn from someone candle magic to know why and what it is. Okay, so now that's it. If you want, what you can do is you can sprinkle rose petals on top when the ritual is happening. You can sprinkle rose petals, you can sprinkle your what do we call it as the chamomile. You can sprinkle your chamomile, rose petals, cinnamon powder also. So now here what I'm doing, I'm just intending, I'm building a bridge. If you see from right to left, I'm just sprinkling the powder that the bridge is getting built between both the couples, and they are together happy and nothing separates them in this universe. So I hope you all enjoyed this as usual. Now again, before I close the video, you can tell me which is the next ritual you want to see, or which is the next herb you want me to speak, or whatever is a topic that you want me to speak, and I would love to speak it out for you and love to show something like this. And I hope you all enjoyed this. If you enjoyed it, do like it, do share it, do comment it, and as usual, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon so that you will keep seeing more and more videos of mine in future. So God bless you all. Again, it's just the year has started, so a blessed 2022 to all of you. May your relationships always flourish. May you always be happy with the one you love, and may you always be blessed with a harmonious and a beautiful, beautiful family. Thank you. God bless you all.